Hi, welcome to the Online Jewelry Academy. I'm Professor John R. Today, I want to announce that we've released our third course on udemy.com in which I teach you how to add excitement and glamour to your jewelry designs through stone setting. In this course, I'll cover bezel, prong, tube, and flesh setting. And along the way, I'll provide you with insights that will help you to quickly, efficiently, and safely set stones in a production environment. By the end of the course, you'll have the confidence to apply stone setting techniques in the development of your original jewelry designs. And as a bonus, you'll have access to information about tools and supplies that will help you to expand your jeweler's bench and the scope of your work as a jewelry designer. This course is great for intermediate students who already have skills required for soldering a pre-made bezel or prong setting to an item. This includes individuals who already know how to make these types of settings for soldering. You can click on the link in the description below to sign up for the course now and receive a discounted price. If you're just a beginning student, you should watch my beginning jewelry making course entitled Colorful Silver Jewelry. It's a comprehensive course that will teach you many of the basic skills needed to move on to this course. I also have a course on making hinged jewelry, which will add to the skills that you'll learn in my beginning class. Remember, the Online Jewelry Academy has over 330 free videos in our playlist, but the advantage of taking my courses is that I take you on a logical, step-by-step learning experience that will save you time and provide you with a full understanding of the jewelry techniques demonstrated. Plus, you'll always have access to the course. Thanks for watching and supporting the Online Jewelry Academy.